Check it out, squid, fish steak, and tom yum. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Check it out, squid, fish steak, and tom yum. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Lots of boat action right now. And that's an actual fishing boat, this one. Squid. I always have the squid. Oh my god, is that ever good. Very different than I've ever had. There's the fish. Don't know what kind of fish it is. Kind of looks like Spanish mackerel, but it might not be. It's good. It tastes like fried fish. It's really nice. Beautiful color. Not as good as the squid. Try it with the seafood dipping sauce. Oh yeah. Stuff really spicy. Whoa. Best part of the squid, the head. Oh, that's so good. It's just non-stop boats right now, which is Very interesting for me. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, it's delicious now. It's not that spicy. It looks spicy, but it's not. Just the right amount. Oh, that's so good, man. It's a squid and a dangly mushroom. Oh. Really good. The fish is only okay. The other two is just absolutely delicious. Not taking anything wrong with away from the fish. It's good as well. Squid tail. Oh, that's so good. And that is so good. Just rice and the broth. That's all you need. Best tom yum I've had in a long time. I haven't had a lot of tom yum lately. Beautiful squid. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, there it is, guys. It was delicious. I have eaten in this restaurant before. I called it the food here then, the best food I ever eat. Today wasn't as good, I don't think, but pretty close. This might be the second best food I've ever eaten. Especially the tom yum and the squid was spectacular. Could probably get used to the view as well. This is a beautiful place. Bang Bao, Ko Chang. A little bit of heaven on earth, that's for sure. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.